Hello everyone, this is Arlene Mendez, and on the first part of the video, I've shown you the items that we got from the Toronto Premium Outlet. So let's do the unboxing of the second video, the Michael Kors that we got. And by the way, this is not a paid advertisement. Here's the item that I want to show you because, whenever I go to the store, if I like something, like a purse, I try to get it because I saw this one and it's really nice looking. Let's just put this aside so we have room. So let's put that there. So let's see. Just want to make sure that I can show you the bag itself. I like this color, Home Sweet Home. So let's just put that there. Okay, so now let's just open this from here. I'm using the scissors. It's always nice to do some unboxing. I seldom do unboxing, so let's just enjoy removing the stuff from here so we can see what kind of bag I have. It's Michael Kors, by the way. I think I mentioned that already, but yeah, I like the quality of Michael Kors bag. I also have lots of, or not lots, but several Calvin Klein Guess and some other items. But I usually go for the color plus, of course, the quality. I like the quality. So let's see. And it's also affordable. It's not too expensive. Is the bag that see, hopefully they also have, they usually give a bag that you can put your purse. Oh, sorry, I just throw that. Let's try. I'm just hoping that they gave me a bag, but if not, it's okay. So we're just removing here. I have a smaller purse like this, but it's the Guess one and Calvin Klein, so I decided to get the Michael Kors one, especially now that it's almost winter, so we need more items in our purse, like the scarves, the cap, or the mitts, the gloves. Oh, these are just, we always make sure as well that we have the silica gel, so this keeps the purse dry whenever you're not using it. Actually, it's just from there, so we'll just do it like that. And of course, the packaging, most of the times when you're buying purse, it's bulky because of the, it's either this one or just the crumpled paper that they put. So there, I think I'm seeing one here. Yeah, it's the paper. Anyway, this is really cool. I can put the laptop in here. So when I go back to work, then this is perfect because, I don't have to carry another laptop case. So let's remove the handle. So I can use it already. So it's nice. Well, and whenever you have to travel like far from your house, then you might as well use a bigger purse so you can put the water, all this paraphernalia that we use when we're traveling, even just for a day. So this is the last one. this is the inside of the bag, and as you can see, it's lots of room in there. And they also have this card, the Michael Kors card. Yeah, this is what we have for today, and we just have to remove the tags. I'm happy of my purchase, and there you go. So I hope you enjoyed watching my video as well, and let's just remove the tag so I don't forget. I don't want to be walking around with the purse that still has a tag on it. So I just removed that. More. So this, you can just keep it somewhere else. Yeah, really nice. So my laptop is being stored in here as well, and this is also what we have here. Okay, so we have the bag here, and I just want to show you that the 13-inch, I have the MacBook, so it's perfect in here, and you still have lots of room. So this is my idea of getting a bigger purse like this, so that when I go to the office, I just put my laptop in there, and then plus during the winter, plus the other stuff, the scarves, and of course, as I mentioned, the mitts, anything that can be put in here for your personal or for my personal use for the day. It's really nice. So yeah, I'm glad I got this. There you go. Okay. So I spent the day with my daughter in there and got this purse plus all the items in front of me for giving as well. So if you like my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated with my next video. As always, this is Arlene Mendez. And don't forget my channel members that are so kind and helpful to others as well. So God bless us all, and bye for now.